welcome to class once again. Our topic today is converting from one base to another base. It's still a subtopic under binary numbers, and this is where we'll be rounding off binary numbers. Now, converting, if you remember in the last video, we talked about converting from order base to base 10, but this one, converting from one base to another base, that means maybe converting from base 5 to base 2. It can be converting from base 7 to base 4. That's from one base to another base. Now, if you say converting from base 10 to base 2, no. But from two different bases that are not used to each other. Base 10 and base 2 are used to each other. So let's go. The first thing that needs to come to your mind when converting from one base to another base is that you will first convert the given base. That means the base in which the question was given to you. First convert it to base 10. And we've done that. I've explained that in one of my videos. So when you convert to base 10, then you now convert the results you got when converting this one to base 10 to the required base that you are taking it to. So let's start with this. If you remember from previous videos, we've done how to convert from any base to base 10. So you expand 0, 1, 2, 3. So expand with respect to the base. So we have 2 times 8 raised power 3 plus 0 times 8 raised power 2 plus 5 times 8 raised to power of 1 plus 6 times 8 raised to power of 0. So let's expand. 8 in 3 places is 512. That will be 2 times 512 plus 0 times 64 plus 5 times 8 plus 6 times 1. So 2 times 512 will give us 1024 plus 0 times 64 is 0, 5 times 8 is 40, 6 times 1 is 6. So when we add all this, 1024 plus 40 plus 6, 0, 7, 0, 1. So we are having 1070 base what? Yes, base 10. It's not going to be in base 8 again because we've converted from base 10. And if you remember at the beginning of this lesson, I told you that if you are converting from one base to another base, the first thing you do is convert to base 10, which we've just done. Then after that, you now convert to base 2. How do you convert to base 2? This is how we do it. 1070. You divide by 2, all true. Now, if you are converting to another base that is not 2, that's the way you still do it, long division. So let's start. 2 in 10, 5. 2 in 7, 3, remainder 1. 2 in 10, 5, so remainder 0. 2 again. 2 in 5, 2, remainder 1. 2 in 13, 6, remainder 1. 2 in 15, 7, remainder 1. Then 2 again. 2 in 2, 1. 2 in 6, 3. 2 in 7, 3, remainder 1. 2 again. 2 in 13, 6, remainder 1. 2 in 13 again, 6, remainder 1. 2 again. 2 in 6, 3. 2 in 6, 3, remainder 0. 2 again. 2 in 2, 1, remainder 1. Put it in. 2 in 13, 6, remainder 1. 2 again. 2 in 16, 8, remainder 0. 2 in 8, 4, remainder 0. 2 in 4, 2, remainder 0. 2 in 2, 1, remainder 0. Remember I told you the last answer here must be 0. So 2 in 1, 0, remainder 1. So you read it upward. You read it upward just like the way the arrow went. So our answer will be, therefore, 2056 base 8 equals to 1000. We have 40. Then 1011 1110 everything base 2. That's our answer. So let's go to the second example. Our example 2 says that convert 321 base 4 to base 8. Now you see that one is not even going to base 2. Base 8. Remember, I said you will first convert to base 10, and that's very simple. 0, 1, 2. So that will be 3 times 4 raised power 2. You are expanding with respect to the base and the powers. Then 2 times 4 raised power 1 plus 1 times 4 raised power 0. So we have 3 times 16 plus 2 times 4 raised power 1 is 4 plus 1 times 4 raised power 0 is 1. So we'll be having 3 times 16 is 16 in 3 places. That is 48 plus 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1. So 48 plus 8 will give us 56 plus 1. That's 57 base 10. So let's go to converting from base 10 to base 4. Long division, remember. Base 10 to base 8, rather, sorry. So how many 8 can we see in 57? We can see 7. Remainder 1. 8 times 7 is 56. Now 8 in 7 is impossible. So that will be 0. Remainder, you bring the 7 here. You read upward. So our answer will be, therefore 321 base 4 equals to 71 base 8. That's our final answer. Now you can try this on your own. Just use this to evaluate yourself. So convert 171 base 8 to base question 1. You convert it to base 3, then you convert it to base 2. So remember, when you're converting any base to another base, from one base to another base, the first thing you need to do is you convert to base 10 firstly. Then from base 10, you convert to the base the question is asking you to convert to. Thank you for joining me in this class. See you in another class. Bye-bye.